Hello, my name is Nadeem Rasool and I'm one of the LastPass solution consultants. Today we're going to be discussing how to migrate your Chrome passwords into LastPass. So you might be a brand new LastPass users and you've been using Chrome browser to save all your passwords. And this is an easy way of how to migrate those password from Chrome into LastPass, and also not letting Chrome ask to save any new passwords. It's quite an easy process, and this is how to do it. First of all we need to do is we need to go into our Google Chrome, and the software I'm using, the Chrome version I'm using, is on a Mac, but it should be similar, or if not the same, on Windows as well as Linux. All we need to do is we need to go into our settings in Chrome, and here we just need to go to the autofill function. On the autofill, the very first option here is passwords, and here's my list of passwords I have that I want to export. Yours will be much larger, but this is just a demo scenario. To export these files, all I need to do is click on this three little dots and select the option to export passwords. Chrome will come up to you and saying, are you sure you want to do this? The reason why is it's all the export that the CSV file will be produced will all be in plain text. So one thing is that you have to do it this way. You have to export it as a CSV file. But once you've exported it, once you've imported it into LastPass, I suggest you delete the exported file. Your IT department may have file shredder program which securely deletes it from your system. So you might want to ask your IT department, or if you don't, just delete it from your from where it's saved, and also empty the recycle bin as well. So we select the option to export passwords. Normally, sometimes in some policies, you may have administrative rights. So Chrome will say, "Are you sure you want to do this?" So you might need to write down your type in your admin passwords as well. But once you've entered your admin passwords, you get a new dialog box that comes up and saying, the Chrome password.csv. Normally, I like to save it onto my desktop, and we click on save, and that file's now been exported onto my desktop in plain text. While we're here, Chrome as a default will offer to save your password and also autofill. Now what we want to do is we want to use LastPass as our source of truth for password management. So we don't want Chrome now to ask these questions. So what we're going to do here is, where we've got offer to save passwords and auto sign in, we'll want to switch them off. So now it will be only LastPass that'll tell us, no one else. And that's all we need to do on the Chrome side. Now what we need to do is we now need to log into LastPass. And I have here my LastPass browser extension, so I'll open it up. I've already logged into it. I just need to go into my vault. And here was what you'll see as a new user in LastPass. Everything's blank, so you want to import your passwords. To do this, all I need to do is go into my advanced options and go into import. I get a new screen that comes up, and what I need to do is select the source, and here I've got my Chrome password manager. As you can see, this list will have various other options for browsers or different password management softwares. If your browser or password management software is not listed in here, then you can just simply use the generic CSV file. And all you need to do is map all the headers. So we map 3 headers, which is the name, the URL, and the password as well. So it's quite a simple one. So as we use in Chrome, I'm just going to be using my Chrome password manager, and then I'm going to choose my file. As I saved it onto the desktop, it's quite easy to get, Chrome passwords, and then click on open. And finally, all I need to do is click on upload. Here within this mapping, I want to keep everything as a default, and I'll just want to select the option to import all. LastPass will go on to import this file, and once it's been successful, you get this looks good message come up, and then you can just go to My Vault. And here you can see all my passwords has now been imported into LastPass. And if I was to click on this, you can see the URL, the name, the username, and the password has all been imported. So here I can now go on to make folders and rearrange my passwords into those folders. But as you can see, it's quite an easy way of importing passwords. And so lastly, what I need to do is just to delete my file off the desktop, as well as empty my recycle bin. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, why not subscribe to us and like, so you can be notified of any new videos from LastPass. As always, take care of yourself, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye now.